Welcome to this video tutorial on Excel macros. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same actions in Excel over and over again, then macros are a powerful tool that can help you automate those tasks and save you a lot of time. In this video, we'll cover the basics of macros, including what they are, how to create them, and how to use them. Macros are a way to automate repetitive tasks in Excel. Essentially, a macro is a series of commands that can be executed with a single button click or keyboard shortcut. Instead of manually performing a series of steps each time you need to accomplish a task, you can record those steps as a macro and then execute them with a single command. This can be a huge time saver, especially for tasks that you perform frequently. Creating a macro. Creating a macro is easy and can be done in just a few steps. First, you'll need to enable the Developer tab in Excel if it's not already visible. To do this, go to the File menu, click Options, and then click Customize ribbon. In the right-hand pane, check the box next to Developer and click OK. Once you've enabled the Developer tab, you can start recording your macro. To do this, click on the Record Macro button in the Code group on the Developer tab. Give your macro a name, choose where to store it, and then click OK. Excel will now begin recording every action you perform. In this tutorial, we are automating pivot table and pivot chart creation tasks based on given data. Macro can help save a lot of time by automating this daily task. Once you've completed the steps you want to automate, click the Stop Recording button. Your macro is now complete. Section 3. Running a macro. To run your macro, you can either use the keyboard shortcut that you assigned when you created it, or you can run it from the Macros dialog box. To do this, go to the Developer tab, click Macros, select your macro, and click Run. Section 4. Editing a macro. If you need to make changes to your macro, you can do so by opening the Visual Basic editor. To do this, go to the Developer tab, click Visual Basic, and then double-click on the module that contains your macro. From here, you can make any changes you need. Section 5. Conclusion. That's it for this video tutorial on Excel macros. We hope you found this helpful and that it will save you time and effort in your work with Excel. Remember, macros can be a powerful tool, but it's important to use them carefully and thoughtfully to avoid unintended consequences. Happy automating! Please like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials.